if you had done a sin in the past and someone may have asked you about it, riba or something, like sometimes you might have somebody like your own family member who's older than you, they start to question you, have you done this? You say no. Have you done this? You say no. And then when they ask you something that you might have done and you say your answer, none of your business, then they assume you've done it. Could you just lie instead?
No, don't lie, akhi. There is other things you could do, because the lying is not allowed unless there is a danger on the person. Don't resort to lie. You could just from the beginning start saying Allahu A'lam on everything, that make him doubtful in everything. So he will not know which one you've done. You could play your game.
Jazakallah khair.
So for example, do you smoke? And he knows 100% he don't smoke. Allahu A'lam. You know better. So all you know better. Allahu A'lam. You know better. So you're confusing. You don't know, because he knows you don't smoke. He knows you don't, for example, steal. So if he's asking about something you've done, he's going to be confused. Okay, khair inshallah. You're talking about your father now.